What's going on, Pro Cutters? John back with another project, and today I'm going to be building a hope chest style bench for the footboard of the bed or underneath a wall on a window. It's for a dear friend of ours who's also Donovan's vet, and she's about ready to have her first baby, and this is for them. So check it out. Maybe you'll learn how to build a piece of furniture. What's going on, guys? John with ProCut, back at the bench project that I started last weekend. So I've got all my boards cut out now for the main part of the bench, and we're going to start prepping for assembly. And I apologize for the low lighting in here, but we're going to start prepping for assembly. Stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, Pro Cutters? Back at the furniture build, and let me give you a little walkthrough and show you what I've done while I had the camera off. Alright, so I showed you the last one, we had cut that back down. Well, now I've edge banded all my plywood edges, and so we look like solid lumber now. And I've also added the trim board on the front and on the sides, and that's all edge banded as well, again, so it looks like a solid piece of lumber. So now I'm working on the drawers, cutting the sides, the bottoms, and the fronts, and then I'll begin assembling on them. And then you can see the back is just clean and smooth, and I think I am going to go ahead and edge band these back edges as well, just because I'm going to have extra edge banding after I'm done with my drawers, and I think it'll just make it look cleaner. And then if my friend wants to put this anywhere in the room, not just against a wall or against the bed or something, it'll look good from every single angle. So that's the update, and now I'm going to start working on the drawers. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. Full opening drawers. That's it. Thanks for watching. And if you're thinking about building any furniture, just know that you're not going to make any money. So you're just doing it for the sheer enjoyment of doing it, and the enjoyment of giving a gift to someone that you know and appreciate. Thanks for watching. This is John with the ProCut. Another one done. Thank you.